It is Kimmy the Gadget Goddess. Per your request, I'm going to install a matte screen protector on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Matte is always my favorite route to go. I could not find any made by LK. I will link the LK video to this video here because I have been impressed by this screen protector. In direct light, you can see fingerprints, but when it's not in direct light, it's a really good screen protector. A lot of questions I got about it was, did it have a rubbery feel? I couldn't tell a screen protector was even installed on this phone. As for now, it has been on the phone ever since I have had it, and I've had no issues with it, no issues with the fingerprint scanner whatsoever. I could not show software in the video when I installed that because I was under embargo during that time. I've been using the matte Rinky case. I did videos on the matte and the clear. I will link those here as well. After I'm done, I'll install my favorite case that I've had so far, which might shock you a little bit. But let's get started and remove this screen protector and install the next one. Skinomi has taught me well. All their packages are not created equal. I see I have spray here, a lint-free cloth, 2 screen protectors, 2 camera protectors, and that is all. Gotta have a squeegee when you're doing these, and you need something to remove lint off the phone. So let me go grab those things. Be right back. So what I did is I grabbed a screen protector pack of accessories. Yes, I install these bad boys all the time. I grabbed a squeegee. These things should be included when you get stuff like this. I don't know why lately Skinomi has not included these things in my packet. You know, they tell you to wash your hands or whatever and squirt this stuff on your fingers, but you always want to remove extra lint and things off your phone before installing a new screen protector. Otherwise you get stuff up under it and you end up using both. I'm going to put both camera protectors back in because I have tempered glass that came with the previous protector. I'm not planning on removing that. I'll put one of these additional screen protectors back in here as well because again, I'm only installing one, so there's no need for all of this. So there's no guides or anything to this one like there was on the LK. It's basically a freestyle. Bye bye LK. See how dirty that looks? Terrible. Fingerprint City, which you didn't notice when it was on the phone. This is what we call a wet installation. A lot of people don't like wet installations. I don't mind them so much as long as they're done correctly. In my screen protector accessory pack, it comes with a dust absorber, a wet wipe, and lint-free cloths. That's all that came in that other pack. Skinomi did not give you any kind of dust absorber or dust remover, and you need that before you stick something else on here. We're gonna clean this bad boy off. Remember I told you this is a wet installation? Not only are we gonna spray the phone down, we're gonna spray our fingers down. I usually just spray it over the phone because the phone's gonna get sprayed anyway. People are hesitant to wet their phones. The wetter the better, because any mistakes that you make are gonna be corrected with the wetness of what you have here. Try not to stretch out the screen protector when you're removing it. And I just lay it backwards over here. Sticky side up, spray it down. And now I'm going to work. You know, if it doesn't stay down or if you positioned it wrong. Well, I always want to try to line up with your camera, so that's why the LK screen protector was so much easier. I will tell you that you got more coverage on the LK, even though this is my beloved matte. It does not go as far over as the LK does. And depending on your case, you may or may not have protection on your edges. Okay, I think I got it laid the way I want it this time. You do want to get it semi-dry before you start messing with the edges on this thing. And that's when we're going to use the same procedure we used for the LK and just take it down the side with your fingers. Of course, it's not going to leave fingerprints on the matte like it tried to with the glossy finish because matte doesn't really show fingerprints. But again, like I said, this coverage on this screen protector isn't like the LK. It's decent, just not as far over. So it's going to be more of a case friendly. LK's case friendly too, but this one's more case friendly. I'm gonna give that a few minutes to dry and come back. And we're back. You can see the matte installation because you can see it's glossy right across the edge at the bottom, right across the edge on the sides. So I'm gonna lock it and unlock it for you. You know, people always ask, does the fingerprint sensor work? It works fine. Most people, they only install one finger. I install 4. These 2 and these 2. And it makes your accuracy more accurate on the phone itself. So you might want to try that if you're having fingerprint issues. I did not redo my fingerprints after I installed this screen protector. It's the same fingerprints I put in when I installed the last screen protector. They're different screen protectors. One's glossy, one's matte. It still works. And so I remember I told you I mentioned my favorite case that I hadn't even done a video on. Because it's just a little cheap case that I got off Amazon. I'll link it in the description. I will not be doing a dedicated case video for this case. But a lot of people are uneasy about their curved edges being out. I'm going to use this one. Gosh, it comes out. I'm doing this one to help hold the edges down on this phone while everything's still kind of settling. I figured, you know, a lot of people don't like to put cases on after installation. I love to because it helps seal the deal. So this case came in 2 pieces. Can't remember the name of the case. I'll stick it in here somewhere. And then there's the back piece. If I were to drop this case or anything, the phone's not coming out of these 2 components. I'd really like the back because I have the sort of sunny phone and it's pink at the top, blue at the bottom, and it gives you that yellow kind of feel in the middle, and then it has glitter in it. It's going to help me let this settle for the next so many hours. That's your matte installation. This is from Skinomi, and again, it's not going to be as easy as doing the LK screen protector that I did earlier, but this is also the screen protector that I used on my Z Flip. I will link that video here. When I removed the screen protector installed by Samsung on the Z Flip and installed my own matte screen protector. So that's what I have there. It's even on the outer screen here. Now that installation is complete, I did this video per request by a couple of my people who commented. If you have other kind of suggestions, anything you want me to try out that's within reason, I wasn't going to do a video, but they knew I was going to install one. They asked that I shoot the video. So I've installed my matte screen protector. Anybody who's got a little more patience and has a steadier hand and wants a matte screen protector, those are available on Amazon. I will link you in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you check out more videos. Hit the like and subscribe if you enjoy it around these parts, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hi.